First, I would have to open a task. I can do this by clicking here, or I can click on a specific task list, and that will add a task as well. To save both me and you some time, let's quickly go to pre-made task. And full disclosure, please pardon these stupid puns, but I just couldn't help myself. So prior to creating a task, or when I create a task, I should then add the title of a task. Ideally, this will say to the person who is concerned with this task in one sentence what should be done. So just by looking at the title, they would kind of have a vague idea what needs to be done. Then you should also add the description. This is really useful because then they will obviously know what should be done in this task in detail. You can also add like rich text formatting with like bold text and italics. You can add bulleted lists, number lists. You can add emojis, and you can also add attachments. So those can be, let's say, PDFs. They could be images, videos, whatever. Then you should also add the assignee. And an assignee should be only one person. We have explicitly said that an assignee should be only one person, mostly because then it's super clear who needs to finish this task. If you have two people as assignees, it could be a bit confusing. So the assignee is essentially the person who has to deliver this task. Then you can also add some extra info as well. For example, you can also add date and time in a sense that this task can have a start date and an end date, or just an end date. Obviously, this means that a task has to be started at a certain point in time or delivered at a certain point in time. You can also create it a repeating sequence, and this will follow the sequence that you have established here. So this task can then repeat itself each day, each week, each month, or even each year. That's really up to you.